what are the key steps to become the entrepreneur. What are the skills needed by each and every entrepreneur. To be a successful entrepreneur even, you must have the communication skill. What is your idea? What is your creativity? What is your plan? That you have to explain, and you have to promote your product to others, and you can be the successful entrepreneur. For that you have to need your communication skills. And then human relation skills. Human relationship. So when a customer is reaching you with polite manner, with the smiling face, you have to interact with them. Even the customer is asking so many questions, you must know to tackle them. You must convince them. So human relation skill is very, very important. And then math skills. If this is the plan, if I do like this, I will gain this much of amount of money. If I go in another path, I will do this much of amount of money. So in this way I am having less risk, in this way I am having more risk. So we must have the mathematical skill. Then only you can gain more profit. Then problem solving and decision making. In your creativity, you have done a project and you have prepared a prototype. In that you are having a problem, practical problem. Then you must have the skill to overcome the problem. And decision making. Whether I have to continue in this way or whether I have to quit it. If I quit, what are the problems will be? If I continue, what will be the problems? If I continue, will it be useful to the society? Can I do it like that? You must have the problem solving skill, as well as you must take proper decision in a proper time. That is very, very important. So you must have the decision making skill also. And then next one is technical skill. If any of the technical problem, then you yourself you have to overcome the problem. Then you must have technical skill also. Then basic business skills. What do you think about basic business skills? If you are going to become an entrepreneur or maybe a businessman, what will be the basic skills you needed for a business, for running a business? Having any idea? What I told, all these skills you must have. And you must have all the characteristics what I told in the previous slides. You are goal oriented, inquisitive, persistence, creativity, all the things put together, you must have the business skill. So all these skills are needed to become a successful entrepreneur. Okay. So communication skills, math skills, etc. are the 5 steps of the 5 steps